Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, hey girl. Y'all, so today we're doing a little girl chit chat. I'm gonna share with you 5 fashion and underwear hacks that are gonna seriously change your life. You know your girl never steers you wrong, and I don't want y'all out there in public looking a fool, okay? So let's get right into my first item, and this is boob tape, y'all. Like, I want to share a little secret with y'all. First of all, this is called Busties, before I forget to say the name, because y'all know I get to talking and then I'm like, oops, I didn't even say the name, oopsies. But this one is Busties breast tape. I'm going to have every single thing I'm talking about linked in the description box below. You can get this off of Amazon. But boob tape, let's talk about that for a second, because I am a 38 triple D. And when I first started seeing boob tape, I was like, there is no way that boob tape is gonna work for me. Like, my breasts are way too heavy. They're like, it's just too much weight for some tape to hold them up, right? And so I don't know, I just was intrigued to try it because it just kept popping up on my Instagram feed, not Busties per se, but just boob tape. So I actually tried the boob tape, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I tried several brands that I did not like. They didn't do anything for me. So, you know, your girl just popped on Amazon, went through the reviews, because you know you have to go through reviews to get to the good stuff on Amazon. So I tried Busties and I was so pleasantly surprised. Like, Busties is a winner. And I'm gonna tell you what comes in the Busties. It's called the breast tape kit. Okay, and it is so cute, y'all. I love this brand. It comes with two types of nipple covers. That one's like the fleshy tone. It feels like skin, so you can put over your breast. And before I forget to tell you, you should never put the breast tape directly over your breast. You must put the nipple covers on first and then tape it up however you're gonna do. So they give you 2 different kinds. This one is like the fleshy skin one, and this one is more like, I don't know, it feels like tape on the inside, but silky. It is tape on the inside, and it's like a little silky material on the outside, and it's really thin. These are disposable. I think you can only use these once. I'm only using them when I use them, I just discard them. But these you can like dab off if you were like sweating and wear them again. They come with this little pouch. So dainty and so cute. Y'all know dainty is like my favorite word, right? So if you're traveling or going out, I don't know, why would you, like, you would need this, I guess if you're going out of town and you wanna like discreetly put your Busties little supply kit in your travel bag. And here's the tape. So you can buy it in black and in this color, but I tried to get, you know, what they do need to do, which I've noticed a lot of breast tape companies, they do come in different shades. This one doesn't, so I just got the one that I felt, it was only this color in black, so I got this one. But there is one company I do want to try. They have like 8 different shades, but I'm gonna have to check out the reviews. But anyway, breast tape is really good because when you have on like certain type of shirts, ooh, and look, my shirt is coming apart a little bit. When you have on certain kind of shirts or dresses that really require like no bra, that's like not very forgiving, and you just want to put on boob tape, you need it for those, like some type of wedding dresses, or you're like a guest, or like even like if you want to just go braless. They are very good. They've been vital to me in my wardrobe. These boob tape is an essential for me lately, and I just really like it. Like, sometimes when I wear like silk shirts and I just want to unbutton a little bit, I make sure I have my boobs taped to the guys, y'all. And then moving on to the second item, because I incorporate the boob tape with double-sided tape. Listen, if you've watched any of my hauls, you know I love a good blazer, and I love to be super sexy. So sometimes with my blazers, especially if I'm like out of town, I might want to wear my blazer like with nothing underneath. But I'm not trying to flash anybody. It's just like that subtle little cleavage look. But unless you're gonna walk like this all night, the blazer, like, it has to stay like in place, right? So even though a blazer has buttons here, you still have to secure the top. So this double-sided tape is perfect because you can place the tape on the inside of the blazer and one piece on your skin. It's double-sided, you stick it down, and it just gives you this perfect look, y'all. So boob tape, double-sided tape, you need this in your arsenal. Like, we gotta have different things to like make us feel secure, make us look sexy, and just, you know, broaden our style a little bit. These are 2 items that you definitely need, 2 wardrobe hacks that you definitely need. Now, the good thing with Busties is that they have a little card on the inside that show you different ways on how to tape up your breasts. If you've never done it before, I'll show you here. But you can also just go on YouTube. And girl, because you know, that's how you found me. YouTube is our best friend. You can find out anything on YouTube, and there's different ways you can do it. I like to do my breast tape from the bottom up, because I don't know, that's just how I like it, to like lift my breast, because I feel like it gives my breast a good look. I mean, a good lift from the bottom and go up to the back of my shoulders, right? So you have to make sure too, depending on what you're about to wear, that the tape is not showing with your clothes. So the next fashion hack that I have for you guys is definitely gonna be a piece of shapewear. You know that I am the shapewear queen, and I'm wearing some shapewear right now. You have to have shapewear in your wardrobe essentials, in your fashion hacks, arsenal, whatever you wanna call it. A grown woman should not have shapewear, okay? Because there are just some things that are a must. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is a bodysuit. This is a seamless bodysuit. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on underneath your clothes. It's a seamless piece. It makes you feel just so comfortable and secure, so that you are not jiggling underneath your clothes. Your cellulite is not showing. You just have a more confident, smooth out look, right? Shapewear to me, and I talk about this all the time, shapewear for me is not something that is supposed to like completely alter. I mean, it can sometimes, right? I do have some pieces that can alter your shape, but for me, I feel like it's about just making me feel confident and secure, because like I'm a mom, you may be a mom, you may have a baby. I mean, even though my kid is 11, I still have after effects, baby. I got little rolls right here that I feel like did not appear until she came into this world, and like I cannot get rid of them. So my little shapewear pieces help me, you know, tighten up underneath certain clothes. And I do have certain pieces that fit under certain things. This one is just amazing. I'm gonna have the link below. And also my other favorite piece is my high waist control shorts, y'all. This is like magic. I don't even know how to describe it. I talk about this in so many of my other videos, but this shapewear piece does not roll down. Do you hear what I'm saying, girl? It does not roll down. So you do not have to worry about having this on and you're somewhere and girl, it's just rolling down underneath your clothes. You over there sweating and it's a hot mess. This is not that piece. It is so high, it goes underneath your bra. You can completely put your bra over the top for a smooth look. And it takes you in, it just gives you a very clean look, pops your booty out. The bottom is seamless, so it's invisible. You cannot see it underneath your clothes. So I just feel like a good piece of shapewear goes a long way. I talk about this all the time, and there's nothing wrong with shapewear. We have to get this stigma off of shapewear, like waist trainers is just to suck your brain out, and then you have this like 8-inch waist, and then you're like 40 inches on the bottom. Like, let's be realistic. Like, we are grown women, and there are some items that we just need in our wardrobe essential arsenal, to just make us feel a little bit more confident and secure under our clothes, to smooth us out and give our look, you know, just those more clean lines, okay? All right, guys, next up for your fashion and underwear hacks to save your life, y'all, I am recommending a convertible bra. Now this bra is from Victoria's Secret. While we're here, y'all, like a thought just popped up. Tell me where you guys get your bras from, because I have tried so many different brands, and I don't know, I've been borderline let down, some happy, I don't know. And then I just found myself going back to Victoria's Secret. What I'm recommending though is overall just a convertible bra, and Victoria's Secret, like, they just have the best one. So I'm just recommending overall a convertible bra. So if you have a brand that you like, stick to that. But in my opinion, I don't know, I've tried so many. Victoria's Secret has the best one. And this is just a convertible bra, because you need a convertible bra for different types of shirts, for different styles of shirt. So what I like about this one is that it appears to just be a regular standard bra, but you can take the straps, you can unhook them and make them razor back, right? I'll insert a picture. So you can make them razor back, which is really cool, because when you buy a bra, I know like some years ago, you buy a bra and it either had to be either or, it could not be both. But now the cool thing is that most Victoria's Secret bras, to my surprise, are convertible, right? So that's a good thing. You always need a convertible bra in your arsenal. Sometimes maxi dresses, you know, they're made like razor back style or crisscross, and then you can throw throw on a convertible bra. Now, while we're talking about bras, you also need a strapless bra. That is the next one. You definitely need a good strapless bra, not one of those rinky-dink strapless bras that as soon as you put it on, your breasts are at your knees or the bra is coming off. Because trust me, I definitely have an experience of buying and wearing a strapless bra, and as soon as you put it on, the bra is here. Like, no, I need you to be up here. I need you to be lifting me and be secure. So make sure in your wardrobe arsenal for your fashion hack that you always have a strapless bra to go with any type of shirt, any type of dress, or any occasion. I also recommend having nude and black in color so that you're already lined up to be versatile, and it, you know, you're at the last minute, you're like, no, I only have nude or I only have black. Just make sure you go invest in black and nude. All right, guys, so I hope you don't hear that music in the background. My neighbors are doing construction, and baby, they got the Mexican tunes on blast right now. And I had to stop this video like twice because I was laughing so hard, because like, I don't have the heart to go out there and tell them to turn the music off. They having a good time. But anyway, next up, you guys, look, y'all better get y'all panty game up. I talked about this in 10 things that we're gonna leave behind, and having underwear that shows is definitely one of them. So you want to go ahead and pick up a pair of invisible tummy control seamless panties. Like, seamless panties are the wave, y'all. Like, we have come too far in our lives, y'all, to be out here with our panties, like with our panty line showing, right? And then on top of that, some of us have a little faux pas at the top that makes it like difficult for our underwear to look good underneath our clothes. So these tummy control underwear are very comfortable. They're high-waisted. They hide your little faux pas. You know, you keep your little secret that you have a little faux pas. They hide it, and then the back is like, if you can see, I'm gonna bring it up to the camera. They're like a thong, and so they're not really a thong, but it's a thong, and then the rest is sheer and it's seamless, so that when you put on your dress or you put on your pants, you have a clean, seamless look. You know, I am all about looking clean and seamless in our dresses, in our clothes, because we're grown. We are grown. We're not out here with granny panties on. You know, I can see your panties a mile away. They're bunching up. Like, we ain't on that. We on that. We are not on that. We are on seamless panties. We are on clean shapewear. We are on breast tape, boob tape, and strapless bras, y'all. We're gonna get our looks together underneath these clothes, baby. If you like videos like this about fashion, luxury, self-care, and you know I am the shapewear queen, I get you snatched for every occasion. And always, if you like videos like this, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you check out some of my other videos on my channel. I do all type of hauls, including fashion hauls from my own boutique, Shop 500 Boutique, unboxings. I do self-care, girl, I got you. So I hope you guys decide to join me, on my YouTube journey. I appreciate your time, you know, because I love y'all. But anyway, and until the next video, y'all, wait, you better watch some more of my videos. You stay right here on this channel. You click on some more of my videos, either the two that I'm gonna recommend that I know you're gonna like at the end, or you're gonna go back to my channel page and you're gonna watch some more of my videos. But anyway, guys, I love you so much, and until the next video, I love you and peace.